Jasper, Alberta for Thanksgiving weekend.
I am Peter.
And I am Kelly. And this is our four-legged companion, Maya.
We are a couple from Hinton, Alberta.
And we are here to share some authentic tales of our married life together.
As we strive to honor God through the trials and the triumphs.
And deepen our relationship with one another along the way. Hey everyone, we're still on the road heading to Jasper. A very, very bumpy road. Apologies. This is Alberta though. So we have a lot of bumpy roads. Maya's here, outfitted in her hoodie. Maya, you want to say hi? Say hello. Had a little bit of a kerfuffle. We stopped for a bite, grabbed some A&W, and
Let Maya walk, do some business.
Yeah, let Maya out to do some business and fed her. And then we started to head out on the highway again and realized we could not find Peter's wallet. So anyway, we turned around and we went back and searched around the restaurant, couldn't find it, and then
Garbage bin.
Search the garbage bin.
That was disgusting.
Yep, that was. Glad we have ample hand sanitizer because of COVID.
Yay,
Thank
COVID.
you. Yay, COVID. So, but then, yes, thankfully, it did turn up in the car. We
Tucked away in a nook.
Yeah, it had kind of slipped into a nook that we hadn't thought to check. So, anyway, we found it, and
We're on our way.
we're on our way again. Hey guys, so we made it.
Yes, it was a long day.
Yeah, it's about 9 o'clock, I think. So we're ready to settle in. Maybe catch some HGTV before turning in.
Yeah. Or who knows, whatever else is on TV. So
Yeah.
but we'll take it. So we don't usually watch TV, so it'll be
We
it'll
don't
be
have
interesting.
cable,
Yeah.
so.
But we'll chat soon. Talk to you guys later.
Bye.
It's a little chilly here still. It's early morning. We're getting ready to pack up for the day and just go for our hike. But as you can see, it's pretty foggy still. And me and Maya are out here. She's trying to find a spot to do her business, and then we can get our day going. So we'll talk to you guys soon.
Hey everyone, we're here in Jasper and we are doing some trails up and around Pyramid Lake. We decided not to go up to our usual spot, the Old Fort Point, because it is raining quite a bit and it is quite a long hike. It's about 2.5 hours. So we figured we would be pretty soaked if we took that on today. So we're just doing a little hike around some of the smaller trails here in Jasper, just about 6 kilometers out of Jasper, so not far at all. But anyway, it's yeah, It's going well. It's nice. Aside from the rain, which I'm sure you can see all over my glasses. But anyway, yeah, we're making the best of it and enjoying it. And it's just good to be out of the city and getting fresh air, non-masked air. So yeah, Peter's just down there at the water's edge taking some footage. Maybe we'll see some of it.
We'll see how it looks, but I'm not sure.
Anyway,
Talk to you soon.
Off we go. It's definitely cool. It's raining, so we're getting wet, but we are out in nature, which is a beautiful thing.
Yes. Need to get some walking and hiking in Jasper today, so but it's pretty overcast and a little bit sprinkly, but it should be all right. Let's continue on.
Cave. Hey Maya, you coming in the cave? Hi, hello wet girl.
So, I don't know which is better. Kelly being in the cave, which is not a cave, it's just a big tree root.
Huge tree.
And Miss Maya playing around in there, so. Hey Maya, unwrap. There you go. Good girl.
Totally game.
Come on.
There you go. Anyway, it's going well, it's nice. Aside from the rain. There's Miss Maya,
Look what we got
looking soaking wet. And those paws, they're black.
They're just well traveled.
Well traveled, yes. We're gonna have some serious cleanup to do before we get in the car. We finished up walking some trails around Pyramid Lake. Got pretty wet. Maya, out of the three of us, got the most soaked. She ended up having to have a little bit of a bath before she could come back in the car. So she's not too thrilled. She's in the back, huddled up in a little ball, covered with her blankets, and yeah. Anyhow, we're heading back into the town of Jasper. Be there probably in 10 minutes or so.
Yeah, 5 minutes.
5 minutes, yeah. And then we're gonna look for some moccasins because my mother texted and she has a really hard time finding moccasins, and she's most comfortable in moccasins because she has some challenges with her feet. But she has a really hard time finding them because she's a size 4. In fact, the only place we've ever found them is here in Jasper. So we're gonna go try and hunt down some moccasins for her so we can renew her stock. Maybe grab a bite. We'll see where the road takes us. Chat soon.
See you guys later. Alright, we might have to get in our vehicle.
Or just stand to make sure.
Oh, watch out, Kelly.